Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we discuss the high-impact news events that are coming our way very soon so we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. In today's video, we'll be discussing the dates of October 29th through October 31st, Halloween. Let's start off with the 29th, which is a Sunday. There is nothing going on, so moving on into the 30th, which is Monday, we'll find ourselves with tentative news out of Japan. But as far as scheduled releases, we have an early one at 4 a.m. Eastern Time coming at us out of Europe. Then, on the opposite end of the day, at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time, we have high-impact news hitting us out of China. Then as we work our way into Tuesday, Halloween the 31st, we'll have more tentative news coming at us out of Japan to be on the lookout for. But as far as scheduled releases, at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time, we'll have high-impact news coming at us out of Canada and the U.S., and then as we work our way a little bit later, another high-impact release hits us at 10 a.m. out of the U.S. And then on the opposite end of the day, at 5:45 p.m. Eastern Time, we'll have high-impact news hitting us out of New Zealand. Good luck, happy trading, and I'll see you all very soon.